Alright, so I'm going to cut out that square, and I'll follow the two top lines. It took me a second to figure it out because this line here, see that little mark right there, that's where the motor hit. So it was sticking up about an inch or so, an inch and a half. So I dropped down an inch, but it had to come over another inch and a half from level, which would be, let's say that that's level. So this is how it's going to set, just like this. So that's pretty level, that line. So I came out to where I thought that it would have to drop down to, and that'll be the area. It'll be in that area somewhere that it has to drop. So everything's round and discombobulated. It ain't easy to figure out. I've put my center line on there, and I started with that, and hopefully, you know, it all works out to where I can center that shaft up in that housing, and I'll just have to improvise and make something for this area here. Oh, damn it. Well, anyways, that's where I'm at.